Easiest repair ever. I got the MV1 and the MV-1FZ from the same seller, but the FZ with that copy of Samurai Shodown II were sold to me as not working. And looks like all it was the BIOS ROM. It did the same thing with or without it, and swapped in a known good one from the other board, and it works perfectly. And I already had a Universe BIOS burned and ready to go anyway. And just to show you what it was doing, since this board will now do the same thing since there's no ROM in it. Let's see. Power off. So I got one hand here. Power goes on the right. Yeah, my channel harness is not keyed. Plugging. Power in. That's from the VGA converter. You can ignore it. Yep, and this is what I was getting even with the BIOS chip in the MV-1FZ originally. So, yep, easiest fix ever.